artists. Join me as we draw a cute frog just like the ones Peppa Pig and her friends see on their outdoor adventures. Get your pencils and imagination ready, and let's start drawing our happy little frog together. Let's get started. Frogs are bouncy, love to jump, and go ribbit, ribbit. Doesn't that sound fun? Frogs can jump really far. Some species can leap up to 20 times their body length. How about you? How high can you jump? Look, Frog has opened its eyes. The frog enjoys glancing around. Frogs are amphibians, which means they live both in water and on land. A frog's skin absorbs water, so they don't need to drink like we do. Awesome! Our frog is drawn and looking hoppin' good. Now, it's time to color it in and make it come to life. Let's grab our green crayons and some pink for a fun twist. Frogs use their long, sticky tongues to catch bugs for dinner. Yum! Baby frogs are called tadpoles and look like tiny fish when they're young. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Some frogs can make really loud noises, like tree frogs that chirp or croak to find friends. Frogs are great at blending in with nature, which helps them hide from predators. A group of frogs is called an army. How cool is that? We've done it! Our frog is finished and looks absolutely amazing. Show our froggy friend or even use our drawing to decorate your room. Thanks for hopping along with me today. See you next time for more drawing fun.